What is up, you guys? In this video, I've got exciting news. The Woodworking Business Accelerator program just got even better. Let's dive in. All right, as always, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm your host, Zach Vaught, and I want to spend today's episode talking about a new feature that we just added inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program that gives you a massive competitive advantage. And so, obviously, inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, we're currently working with 50 or 60 guys all across North America and helping them scale their woodworking business. In fact, I want to share just some wins inside of our Slack channel of what people have been saying in the last couple weeks, okay? So Tim Johnson said on Wednesday, $6,000 sale to kick off the month. Jake Nelson said, just closed the deal for an island top for $5,500. If all the checks come in the mail, that will put us at over $20,500 for the start of July. By the way, this was on the 9th, okay? Plus have another $5,000 deal pending and a very hot lead visiting this shop this afternoon. Jake also just broke his all-time sales record in June. He did over $42,000 in sales, and he's, by the 9th of July, already done over $20,000, okay? Next one, Tim Holland. He's an incredible guy. He's been with us for a long time. Just left a wedding venue in wine country to drop off a prototype table for them, and they ordered 9 more plus an oval expansion table for their farmhouse home. Total for the wedding tables is $30,000 and $4,000 for the oval. Puts us at over $43,000 for the month already. This is on July 9th, and he's already at $43,000. Keith Long, he posted this yesterday, $7,400 order paid in full. Your boy needed that cash, haha. So these are just a couple of the wins that I wanted to share with you of what actually is happening inside the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. What are we doing? So if you're not familiar, it's kind of an all-inclusive product that it's a one-stop shop to help you grow your woodworking business. Specifically, your custom furniture business, your table business is really what we focus on. And in that, we do a few things right now. So number one is that we help you beef up your product catalog the day that you come into the program. So if you come into the program, you've built a couple tables here or there, but you really don't have a very robust product catalog, we essentially install our proven product catalog into your business and license those photos and videos to you and give you more marketing content so you can sell to astronomically more people, right? That's the first thing that we do. Second thing is that we actually run your ads for you, or we teach you how to run your ads. This is the thing that unlocks growth for everything. If you aren't running ads right now and you're watching this and you're serious about growing a woodworking business, you've got to start running ads, but you got to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you might as well just set your money on fire. But if you know what you're doing, you can actually start getting strong returns for every dollar that you spend, okay? Number 3 is that we coach you every step of the way. So right now, your problem is that you don't have any sales. We help you get sales. Well, once you get sales, then your problem is, how do I get all this stuff built, right? Then we help you with that. So I want to talk about the new thing inside of the program that is making it even more valuable. And that is a brand new partnership that I have with a table leg manufacturer. And so we are going to be able to offer exclusive wholesale pricing on hardwood table legs, but it's only to active members of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. And so I'm going to cut here for just a second, and I'm going to show you a couple examples of pricing as Mark Drake is the owner of the business, as he shares what competitors' pricing is, what his retail price is for these legs, then also what the wholesale price or the exclusive member price is for the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. And so we're going to cut to that. We'll come right back.
But so in Poplar, $290, right? Poplar set of 4, 5-inch legs. Normally what I've been selling these for to you all is $240. So I'm already, beating them. And I'm not just undercutting them. I'm comfortable with that price. You guys have seemed to be comfortable with the price. So it's just the way it works. Wholesale price for these legs, $165. That is, to me, that's a pretty big difference. $125 difference than buying elsewhere. This, to me, moves the needle. This is like I'm saving real money here from the jump. And I can actually start to consider using poplar instead of pine, because the pine, it's like, man, it's just the price is so good. And I got tight margins. I need to make it work. And we don't like to be able to offer hardwood. This is potentially an option. So this is just a starting point. Bench legs, $70. I'm not sure pricing on bench legs from some of my competitors, but from us, a set of 4 of those would be $70. So you're already just the set of 4 and 4 is cheaper than my competitors, just a set of diamond legs. Another one, red oak, very popular species, right? This is sort of the baseline non-pine hardwood that a lot of us are using besides maybe ash and maple, which I'll share in a second. Best competitor price, $308. My current price is about $250. Wholesale price, 185. 125 bucks a set you're saving on this on average. 75 bucks for the matching sets. Barely more than poplar, frankly. Ash. This is probably the third most popular request I've gotten from you all out there is legs and ash. I know it's a beautiful, we love ash around here too. Just a nice replacement for oak, for those who don't want it. Competitor 385, retail 300, wholesale $200. $185 cheaper than my competitor on those, on the wholesale pricing. Matching bench, 80. Maple. Best competitor, I'm pretty sure, is Carolina Lake Co. They do 400 out the door, I think, now on a similar lake. My retail 290. My wholesale 185. $200 a set you're saving on these. It's a pretty ridiculous savings. Matching bench again, 75 bucks. It's all about the same because where I get my lumber and the way we're making these, I can the price between maple, red oak, poplar, really not that big a difference. You know, it's less than $1 difference from my lumber supplier. So this is something we can provide to you at a ridiculous cost. Walnut, this is one Keith maybe will like, and you bought some legs from me before, Keith, which I really appreciate. But you know, the walnut can be ridiculously expensive. This is, I think, Keystone's price. I'm not sure if that's accurate right now, but for these legs, $615. My retail, $475, which is already a lot cheaper. Wholesale's $375. $250 savings. Blows me away personally. Every time I look at this, I'm like, man, that's crazy that we're gonna be able to do this. Matching bench leg set, $140.
So isn't that crazy? Isn't it crazy? You can save hundreds of dollars per set of legs. So if you're actually a volume builder, like if you're doing just a couple table sets per month or more, you can save a ton of money, right? And what I want to talk about with this is what is the big advantage here? Why is this such a huge value add to the program? So there's two options that our members inside the program have with something like this. Number one is that they can actually continue to price their work exactly how they have been, and they can pocket that extra money, right? Which is not a bad option, right? So if you save an extra $150 per project, you do a couple projects a month, you're making an extra $450, $500 per month in pricing everything exactly as you have been. Now, here's where I want to really focus, which is the massive competitive advantage that it can give you in the marketplace. And so one of the ways that we all price our work is based on our costs, right? Based on our material costs. So inside of the program, one of the things that I've taught here on the channel is that you add up all your material costs and you divide it by 0.3, and that's going to give you a good baseline price that you should be selling that product at. Well, what we're doing is we're basically creating a multiplier effect off of the cost of materials, right? So let's say, for example, that your table legs are $200. And let's just keep it simple. Let's just say that the table legs are the only component that we're worried about right now. Let's say that the table legs are $200. We divide it by 0.3. The multiplier would be $667 in retail value that I would be charging based on the material costs, okay? Now, let me give you a real example from what Mark just showed. So he gives an example of some walnut legs. I don't know the numbers right offhand exactly, but let's say that the average competitor price for walnut table legs for a certain design is $650. Divided by 0.3, I would need to be charging $2,100 in retail value just based on those legs, okay? Now, let's say that we can save $250. Let's say that the legs are $400. I divide it by 0.3. That's $1,300 in retail value. What I'm getting at is that I can charge the customer $800 less. I can maintain my profit margins and win the deal. One of the biggest challenges inside of our industry is competing for market share, so how do I win more deals? How do I get more people to say yes every month? Well, this is one of the number one ways that we have added value to our clients inside the Woodworking Business Accelerator program so that they can capture up more market share. Just imagine if you landed an additional 3 to 5 to 7 deals a month because you had more competitive pricing, all the while you didn't sacrifice any profitability, right? That is where all the value comes in with this proposition and this value add into the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. So I was excited about it. We just finalized this partnership a couple days ago, and I wanted to share with all of you guys just an additional benefit to being inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. By the way, this isn't the only really cool thing that's coming. We have more exciting things on the way for the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. That's going to give it's going to give anybody that's inside of that program a massive competitive advantage over their competition. So with that being said, I could talk to you about the ebook. I could talk to you about our Handmade Hero Academy program for beginners, but I want to talk to you about the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, because if you're serious, if you're really ready to grow and take it to the next level, I cannot recommend it enough. Obviously, I'm biased. Obviously, I believe in it. I built it from the ground up. Obviously, we've seen win after win after win after win after win for the last 3 years. So we know that we deliver results. We know that this is going to help you in a new way. If you'll come in and do what we teach you to do and post when we teach you to post, focus on the things that we teach you to focus on, you will become successful inside of your custom furniture business. And so hopefully this is cool to you. Hopefully this is an additional reason you might consider checking out the program. And with that, as always, love you guys so much. Thanks for your viewership. Thanks for subscribing if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next one.